I'm just back with a couple more Tomodachi Life and Spanish omelet, flan, and orange juice. That's a very random combination, if I do say so myself. And dang, the Playboy bunny. Dang. And the polar bear Lao Chu. Dang. I thought Magpie was in the judge outfit as well just then, but they're in the ball gown. Dang, me mom in the crowd. Probably just to wait until Human Sentipad makes his donation. But then again, there's Emma wearing that cool witch costume. Dang. Pretty sure we just bought $99 worth. That might be the highest anybody's been willing to pay for grilled cheese sandwiches. Dang. And Alex has a problem. Dang.
I had a fight with Lizzie. I'm so upset.
And that's what the other friend-related issue was in the
Please help
me
me
home.
calm down first. Bathtub, here I come. La 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 la. La 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 la. That was so refreshing. I feel a lot. I'm sorry about what happened.
Okay, thank gosh.
I'm sorry too.
Dang.
We made.
Dang.
Thank. Here, I want you to have. I started learning ballet. I think I have a real knack for it.
Dang. Probably give him one of those grilled cheeses that we just bought a crap ton of from Bobby. Dang. Dang.
Here, I'm.
And probably wash it down with some coffee. Dang. I keep shocking him. Dang. And now Linda has a friend-related thing. Of course.
Oh, the wilting. I had a fight with Dexter. Please.
It's just a reminder that life is a bowl of cherries that we need to buy more of. Dang. Dang. Wearing the Elvis wig too.
I'm sorry about what happened. I'm still not over it.
Or wait, no, it's not now, cute Dexter. I was about to say she would have gotten into a fight with her husband, but not. Thank gosh. But then that begs the question of what kind of fight did these two people get into?
Dang. This hair is my whole life.
They're fighting over Hal.
Let go. You're making him cry sad tears. You know nothing. Teddy is happy because I'm saving him from you. I'll buy you a way cuter bear. Okay, so give up and let me have this one. Never. This is the only bear I could ever love. Get your own bear, Dexter. This is my bear. You're sparing my poor defenseless bear. Don't worry, Teddy. I'll save you from this mania.